In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Zoho. Creating email templates can save you a lot of time and help maintain consistency in your communications. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Zoho CRM. Once you're on the main dashboard, navigate your way to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. The settings page is where you can customize various aspects of your Zoho account, and today we're focusing on creating email templates. Inside the settings, look for the option labeled Templates and click on it. This will bring you to a page where you can manage all the templates you've created, including both email and other kinds of templates. Now, let's go ahead and click on the New Template button. This is the beginning of crafting your personalized email template. You'll be prompted to choose a module. Each module pertains to different sections or aspects of your CRM, such as leads, contacts, or potentials. Make sure you select the appropriate module that suits your template's purpose. After selecting the module, proceed by clicking the Next button. Now you'll be presented with a gallery of existing templates. You can choose one of these as a starting point if you want to streamline the process. Focus on the All Components area. This is where you can visualize the building blocks of your email template. You'll find various elements that you can drag and drop to design the email layout to your satisfaction. This section is all about customization, allowing you to tailor each component to fit your specific needs and give the email a personalized touch. Next, it's time to click on Text. This is where you'll input the main body of your email text. You can also format this text to suit the tone and style you wish to portray. Whether it's a formal announcement or a friendly reminder, this section will define the look and feel of your communication. Now, let's enhance the aesthetic of your email by selecting a font style. Choose a style that complements the message you want to convey, as the appearance of text can significantly impact readability and overall impression. Alongside this, decide on a font size. Make sure the size you choose is easy to read on any device, ensuring important sections stand out. With your email tailored to your liking, the last couple of steps involve saving your work. Start by clicking on Save, and then follow it up with Save Now to ensure that your template is securely stored in your Zoho CRM. You've now successfully created an email template that can be reused whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create and customize an email template in Zoho, a tool that surely will become a staple in your CRM toolkit. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more features Zoho has to offer.